Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem in your WhatsApp. So let's get started. To check it out, open up your WhatsApp and then you have to do is click on any person, and then you have to do is simply click on that voice note over here on the top right bottom. So you have to simply click on that or hold it. So once you click on that, you will see this option over here to record a voice message. WhatsApp needed access to your iPhone's microphone. So to do this, we have to do is click on the setting button. So once you click on setting button, it will comes in your settings, and then you will see over here microphone at the third option on the top. So once you turn this toggle to in green color, it's mean your voice note is turned on, and now you can send voice message to anyone. So as you can see over here, once I click on that person name and then I want to record a message, so as you can see over here, this recording is turned on. So once I release this, it's gonna be sended. So that's how you can check it out, or like send voice message problem is fixed. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.